Today we are here to ask and answer one simple question. How do you stake AVAX on a Ledger device? Let's find out. And if you are interested in picking up a Ledger, feel free to look at the link in the description below. If you buy it using that link, it helps me out and I really would appreciate it. With that being said, let's get back to the video. Okay, first thing first. Genuinely, when you first set this up, by default it will have you install the Bitcoin or Ethereum wallet onto the main screen, won't have anything else. So what you would want to do is plug in your Ledger device to your computer or go through the mobile app, go here to My Ledger and it will prompt you to connect to your Ledger wallet. What you will then do is click on App Catalog and type in AVAX. Once you do that, it's going to pop up with the app right here. All you would end up doing in this situation is come over here, tap install. It will install it. You'll see it as a big red/orange line depending on how your monitor makes it look. And it should automatically generate and say add account. If it doesn't, you would come over here to accounts, scroll, hit add accounts, and then it will say for what type of asset. You're going to type in AVAX. As you see, Avalanche is showing right there. It will pop up on your cold storage wallet, ask you to approve. You will hit approve. At that point, if you didn't already have a wallet, it will generate a new one or it will pull in your old wallet. Then once you have that account created, you will move your crypto over into your AVAX wallet. You can buy some directly through Ledger, but I've noticed if you do so and you buy AVAX directly through Ledger or any crypto through Ledger, it tends to have a little bit of a higher fee, so just be aware of that. So now how do we actually stake our AVAX? We're going to come right over here and hit earn. Once we do that, it's going to show you the annual returns that you will be receiving, which is 5.10%. And it's also going to give you a warning, so be aware if you like to get in and out of your cryptos very quickly. To unstake it, it does take 15 days for it to be removed from the staking part where you can claim it. It needs to be claimed within 2 days, otherwise it will need to be restaked again and you'll go through that process all over again. What you will also see is that you are going to receive 5.10% of any AVAX you do stake. So right now we're going to do 33 AVAX. I'm leaving a little bit extra for any gas fees that might occur. And over here it's saying my annual return will be 1.68302 AVAX, a monthly reward of 0.14025 AVAX. What I will give you as a heads up, because sometimes you can receive an error at this next part, where I was doing a conversion through Ledger of moving some Bitcoin over into AVAX for this video. And even though it was showing the AVAX in the wallet, it was still kind of giving it a little bit of a slowdown saying that it wasn't showing up. So just be aware if you've done any transactions in the meantime where there's something pending or just approved, you might want to give it a little bit more time before attempting the staking. But now let's hit earn. It's going to say liquid staking, 33 AVAX, and earning 5.10%. We are going to hit confirm. It's going to say which way do we want to go. We are going to go with the middle option. Then we're going to come over here. It's going to show 33 AVAX, total $670. Max network fee under a penny. Total debit $670.89. Let's hit continue. Over here, it's going to pop up on my Ledger for us to verify. We are going to hit open. Once it does that, it will ask to download an app called StakeKit to the Ledger device. You're going to confirm it. And then on this screen, it's going to have you on your physical Ledger device confirm. So you will scroll over from right to left, and I'm using a Ledger stack, so it might be a little bit different depending on the device you're using. And it's going to ask you to sign. So you will hold or click agree. Once you do that, it will go into a pending state, but it is saying that it was successfully staked. Right now, it is going to take a little bit of time for this to go through. So what we're going to do is let it sit for right now. Once it's approved, I will come back with the video showing that everything went through okay. Okay, in just a moment, I will show you how to physically unstake the AVAX, but to show you it's been successfully staked, right over here, it's showing a staked AVAX 27.26, equating to $671.83. And then if we come over here where it shows the main chain, basically it's all gone. So if you come over here, doesn't show anything, but underneath, if we click on it one more time, it will show the staked AVAX and it's all right there. So now how you would unstake is you would come over here to earn, you would go to manage, and then it will show you right over here. You would tap that, you would tap unstake with the amount that you want to unstake. You would hit unstake, it would go in through the ledger again, have you confirm, and that would be the end of it. You would have to wait the full 15 days before you can fully claim it. On the 15th day, you would be able to come right back to this screen, hit manage, and there would be a button that would say claim, and you would claim your remaining AVAX. But guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you liked it, feel free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.